Hello everyone. How are you today? Yes, I'm fine. Thank you so much, right? And I hope all of you are very happy and enjoy with the days that you are learning in grade 9, especially English subject, right? So I am teacher Sokha, okay, and I'm going to teach you about the new words in unit 4 that is in chapter 2 that is talk about really occupation, and unit 4 is working in a restaurant. Okay, so don't waste time. Please go to get right. Okay, so I need to say a slide so everyone could see it, right? Everyone, as you can see, this is unit 4 working at a restaurant, right? And this is chapter 2, really occupation, and this is online class, right? So the purpose of making this video is to share uh, English vocabulary in unit 4 to the student, right, who are interested in learning English. Okay, so we're gonna read all these words and with pronunciation and the meaning in Khmer, right? And the next after we read, and we also learn to use this word into sentence, and also we need to uh, talk about the definition in English about all of these words. So not only translate in Khmer, but also we need to know about the English definition or this all of this word too. Okay, so let's start all together. So as you know, working at restaurant is a we can say it's a good job for someone. Okay. Okay. So what are the job that we could do in a restaurant? Okay, so the first job, okay, the first thing, okay, the first a accountants. So this will be say accountants. Okay, and this is the meaning in Khmer. You can see it, everyone. Okay, so I will. Okay, this is the meaning in Khmer, right? And one more is clown, right? How to say clown, right? Clown here. Uh, the meaning in Khmer too, right? And customer. Okay, so say customer. So this is the stress, right? We need to say this word is louder than the other syllable, right? Customer, not ma, let's say ma. Okay, customer. And greet. Okay, greet. Okay, a customer here, customer, right? So now you can read it. So don't worry, I'll try to explain more. Okay, and okay, greet someone, to greet someone, to say welcome to someone, right? For doing something. And menu, okay, we say menu right here. The meaning in Khmer, right? And the next word is order, not order. Okay, here we okay. So next, okay. So we okay, after order oh one more word is photographer. Okay. We say photographer, photographer. Okay, here the meaning in Khmer, and here photographer, photographer. And next is restaurant. We do not say restaurant, but we say here you say restaurants. Okay, restaurant. Here the meaning in Khmer, and this word is you straight here wait, waiter, waitress, waiter, and waiters, waiters and waiter. Okay, so here the waiter refer to uh okay male, and here refer to female, right? So this is the new vocabulary that we are learning in Unit 4, right? So I hope that all of you can read. Okay, after reading, you will know how to pronounce each words and also the meaning in Khmer. Okay, so next, what we are going to do next is to use all this word into sentences and also the meanings in English, or we can say the definition in English. Okay, so let's do all together, right? Okay, this is the example, okay, into sentences and the meaning or definition in English, and here the English word that we already learned. Okay, so come to this point, or we can say before we learning this point, okay, if you think this video is interesting to you, don't forget to press the button subscribe and uh, leave your comment if you want to study English with teacher, especially conversation. Okay, the teacher have English class, online class, or practice speaking. Okay, and one more thing, don't forget to share this video to other students to learn. Okay, too. Okay, so come back to our lesson. So in this, we have three columns. First column, English word. The second column, definition based on context. Based on context here refer to the words. As you know, one word in English can have two or more meanings. So it's depend on their use in the context, in the text. And the third column is simple sentences. So the first word is accountant. What is accountant mean? Yeah, because sometimes we speak with the native speaker or speak English with the foreigner. You need to try to explain each word into English too. We don't want to say Khmer because the foreigner, some foreigner or more of them, they do not understand Khmer language. So we need to try to explain them into English. Okay. We are Khmer, but this time we are learning, we are improving our English. So we need to talk in English. Okay. Okay, so accountant is referred to a person whose job is to keep or inspect financial accountants. Sorry, accounts. Okay, accounts. Accounts here is different from accountant. Accountant here refer to the people, but here accounts here refer to the document which records the income or expense, right? Financial refer to the money that we spend or the money that we got back become the money, you can say the money that we spend, and the money is outcome or income, right? Inspect to control, right? To check it. Okay, so a person who control, who check or keep all this document, the flow or flow cash or flow, money flow, right? Where the money go and where the when the money come back, right? And here the example, for example, our family accountant advised us on how to how to file our taxes. Okay, so advice. I hope that all of you know the meaning in this example, right? So if you do not know, please list your comment below. I'll try to explain you. Okay, advise to tell the good thing for us. How to file. File here means look like you to do or to complete or to process, to the process to complete our tax document, something like that. Okay, so the accountant they tell us the good way how to do that, right? Okay, because in modern country they always have their families. Each family they have one accountant, or one family they have one doctor for the family, right? Clown, right? So what the clown mean? Clown, it mean an entertainer who wears funny clothes, has a painted face, and makes people laugh. Okay, entertainer. As you know here, entertainer is refer to people who will refer to the people person who wear the funny clothes. They wear the clothes that make us happy, make us laugh, and sometimes they make up their face or make their face to be interested, okay, to be interested in and make the people laugh. This is clown, right? For example, the clown at a party makes a balloon animal for all the children, right? So the clown they make the balloon animals. Balloon animal here it means they make the balloon into animal shapes, okay, for the children. Okay, and customer refer to a person who buys goods or services from a shop or business. Okay, goods bit here refer to the products, okay, and services, right? So a person who buy goods or buys our product from a shop or business is called customer. For example, a polite customer always make the waiter's job easier, right? So the job, okay, of the waiter in restaurant will be easier if we have a polite customer. Okay, this is uh, the the sentence meaning, right? So say polite, right? It's the opposite with impolite. Okay, and like greet, right? Greet mean to address someone with kind word or gesture on their arrival. Arrival here mean when they come or when they enter our restaurant or our house. It mean come from arrive. And gesture to make action into any action to show but without speaking. Okay, gesture and word, kind word is a good words, right? And address here refer to show, right? It's not to greet here. Uh, I mean to address someone with kind words or gestures on the arrival. Arrival here it means this word is come from arise. I mean when you enter the room or enter the house or reach the house, we can say arrival. And gesture refer to the action that uh, we do without saying anything. And kind word use a good words. Okay, and address here is a verb. Okay, it does not noun. It function is not noun. So here it means to show. When address is used as verb, it means to show someone. Okay, but it's noun. It means refer to where we stay, where we live, a place that we live, right? Or we stay, address. And next verse, the menu. Everyone know this word is very simple word. Okay, menu is just a list of food and drinks available in a restaurants. Okay, so what kind of food, what kind of drink that you can see on the piece of paper to show you when you are in a restaurant is called menu, right? For example, here the meaning. Okay. Uh, this is the meaning, and this is the example that we use the word menu into the sentence. Before ordering, we look carefully at the dessert menu. Okay, menu, right? So dessert here, I mean, look like some the sweet, right? The sweet that we need to eat, especially after having uh, lunch or having breakfast or whenever that you want, but refer to the sweet. Okay. Order, as you know, is very popular, a very simple that many people use this. I mean to request, okay, to request, to ask someone for food, drink, or service in a restaurant, right? I mean, order. For example, we decided to order the soup of the day and a salad, right? So it's very easy, but so I'm not going to explain more. Okay, and the next word is photographer. Photographer refer to a person who takes photograph, especially as a shop, right? As a shop. Okay, here the meaning that we hire a professional photographer to take picture at the wedding, right? That here many common people always do that they always hire a photographer, a professional photographer to take a picture during the wedding ceremony, right? Because professional photographer, they know how take a picture to look very beautiful and British. Okay. And one more is also a restaurant. Okay, restaurant is a place where people to pay the money, and then you sit and then eat meals that are cooked and served on the premises on the premises. As you know, restaurant. Right? For example, we had dinner at an Italian restaurant near the city centers. You, as I told you, you can use okay many sentences that depend on your ID, depend on you experience and better. A man refer to a man who serves foods and drink at the tables in a restaurant, right? First of all, the waiters brought us our drinks and took our main course order, right? Main course refer to the food, the dish food or the dishes. Okay. And waitress. Okay, waitress in a woman who serves food and drink at the tables in a restaurant, right? That's the same thing between a waiter and waitress. The difference is refer to a man and a woman here. The new waitress was very atten attentive and friendly. Here, attentive mean very attentive mean they focus on us. They are very focused on us and very friendly. Always have a good relations. Okay, or get along with us. Okay, using the good words. Okay, or something like that. Okay, so this is the what I want all of you to know. The words, okay, the new word and the word definition in English and example into sentences and also the meaning in Khmer, right? So that's all for learning today, and I hope that all you will enjoy this learning. Okay, goodbye. See you, everyone.